Did you know that every time you visit an online shopping website, a robot is keeping tabs on what you do? It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but it's not. It's science scary. Meet the recommendation engine, a type of artificial intelligence that observes your online behavior, learns your preferences, and suggests products it thinks you might like. But it does much more than that. It's a silent partner in the booming world of online shopping. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of recommendation engines. Understand how they work, uncover their impact on our shopping habits, and explore the ethical considerations surrounding these digital matchmakers. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey into the AI-powered world of online shopping. Have you ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what show you want to watch next? Or how Amazon keeps showing you products you've been eyeing? The answer lies in recommendation engines, sophisticated algorithms that learn from your online behavior. But how do they do it? Well, let's break it down. Recommendation engines are driven by two main types of learning: collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Collaborative filtering is all about looking at the collective intelligence of the crowd. It analyzes the buying patterns and ratings of a large number of users to find trends and patterns. If you've been eyeing the same products as someone with similar taste, chances are the recommendation engine will suggest those products to you based on the assumption that, if they like it, you will too. On the other hand, content-based filtering focuses on your individual taste. It delves into the details of your browsing and buying history, taking note of the products you've shown interest in and the ones you've purchased in the past. By understanding your unique preferences, it can suggest items that align with your individual style and needs. But wait, there's more. To enhance their accuracy, recommendation engines also leverage user-generated content such as reviews and ratings. This way they can gauge the sentiment behind those interactions and incorporate them into their suggestions. For example, if a particular product has a lot of positive reviews, the recommendation engine is likely to suggest it to users who have shown interest in similar items. Additionally, some engines may even tap into social media data, analyzing what your friends and influencers you follow are buying and liking. This helps paint an even more comprehensive picture of your potential interests. It's making the recommendations more relevant and enticing. Now that we understand how recommendation engines work, it's time to explore the impact they have on our shopping habits. From personalized suggestions to curated collections, recommendation engines have revolutionized the way we shop. They offer several benefits that enhance our online shopping experience. First and foremost, recommendation engines provide unparalleled convenience. They save us time by presenting products that align with our preferences, eliminating the need to sift through countless options. Whether we're looking for a special occasion outfit or everyday essentials, recommendation engines offer a shortcut to the items we're most likely to love.
Nice.
But the benefits go beyond just saving time. Recommendation engines also introduce us to new products and brands we might not have discovered otherwise. They expand our horizons by suggesting items outside our usual comfort zone, encouraging us to try something new. This opens the door to a world of possibilities and helps us discover hidden gems we would have missed without the engine's guidance. And let's not forget the personalized touch. Recommendation engines curate suggestions tailored to our individual styles and preferences. Whether we're into fashion, beauty, electronics, or anything in between, these engines learn from our past purchases and browsing history to create a shopping experience that feels custom-made for us. It's like having a personal stylist or product expert by our side, guiding us towards items that complement our unique tastes. And the impact of recommendation engines goes beyond just our shopping experience. They have a significant influence on sales and revenue for online retailers. By promoting products that customers are most likely to buy, these engines drive sales and boost revenue. When customers find exactly what they're looking for or discover something they didn't know they wanted, it leads to more transactions and increased revenue for businesses. However, while recommendation engines offer numerous benefits, it's essential to address the ethical considerations surrounding their use. One major concern is the potential for bias. These engines learn from historical data, which may contain biases that perpetuate discrimination or reinforce stereotypes. For example, if historical data shows that women are more likely to purchase beauty products, A recommendation engine might unfairly direct more beauty-related ads to women than to men. This can create a vicious cycle, limiting the exposure of underrepresented groups to certain products or services and reinforcing societal biases. Another concern is the issue of privacy. Recommendation engines collect vast amounts of data on users' shopping habits and preferences. If this data is not handled responsibly, it can lead to privacy violations or even identity theft. For example, if a data breach occurs, sensitive user information could be exposed, putting them at risk. It's crucial for companies to prioritize data security and transparency when using recommendation engines to build trust with their customers. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ongoing efforts to develop more ethical and responsible recommendation engines. Researchers are working on techniques to identify and mitigate biases in data, ensuring that recommendations are fair and inclusive. Additionally, there is a growing emphasis on user control and transparency. Users want to understand how recommendations are being made and have the ability to customize or even opt out of personalized suggestions. As technology evolves, we can expect recommendation engines to become more transparent, giving users greater insight into the factors influencing their suggestions. So how can we strike a balance between enjoying the benefits of recommendation engines while addressing the ethical challenges they pose? One approach is to promote diversity and inclusion in the data used to train recommendation engines. By ensuring that training data represents a wide range of perspectives and backgrounds, we can help mitigate biases and promote fairness in recommendations. Additionally, encouraging self-regulation within the tech industry can help companies identify and address potential biases in their recommendation algorithms. This can foster greater trust and accountability, ensuring that recommendation engines serve their purpose of enhancing the user experience without perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Another way to navigate the ethical landscape of recommendation engines is through education and awareness. Empowering users with the knowledge to recognize and challenge biased recommendations is crucial. By promoting media literacy and critical thinking skills, we can help users become more aware of potential biases and make informed decisions. Encouraging open discussions about algorithmic bias and its impact on recommendation engines can also shed light on these issues and drive positive change. As we continue to navigate the ethical considerations of recommendation engines, it's important to remember that technology is not inherently biased. It's the data and algorithms we create that can perpetuate biases and discrimination. By acknowledging this, promoting diversity, encouraging self-regulation, and fostering education, we can harness the power of recommendation engines while mitigating their potential harm. We live in a world where technology is transforming every aspect of our lives, and recommendation engines are at the forefront of this transformation. These powerful algorithms have the ability to shape our online experiences, influence our purchasing decisions, and even impact our sense of identity. As we've explored in this video, recommendation engines are not just convenient tools for online shoppers. They are complex systems that reflect and reinforce the biases present in our society. It's crucial that we remain vigilant and proactive in addressing these biases to ensure that recommendation engines serve as a force for good rather than perpetuating harm. But it's not just about mitigating biases. It's also about embracing the potential for positive impact. Recommendation engines can be powerful allies in promoting diversity, inclusion, and equal opportunity. By working together, we can harness their power to create a more equitable and representative online world. Let's embrace the power of recommendation engines while remaining steadfast in our commitment to fairness, inclusion, and equal opportunity. Let's ensure that these engines serve as a catalyst for positive change, driving us towards a more diverse and representative online experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of recommendation engines. If you found this video informative, please don't hesitate to like and share it with others who might be interested in this topic. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating insightful content on artificial intelligence.